morning to all the beautiful people out there. Namaste. आई होप आप लोग जहाँ पर भी हैं बहुत अच्छे हैं. मैं भी बहुत अच्छी हूँ. आई एम डूइंग ग्रेट. And I hope everyone has started with their fitness journey, maybe with a light walk, running, moderate, light to moderate to hardcore workout in whatsoever category you fall in. If you'll ask me whether I have started with my workout routine or not, or I'm on my fitness journey or not, well, I would say not really, because currently I'm working on my stamina from past many days. So I won't deny, neither I would say yes that I have started my fitness journey, but definitely I'm working on my stamina, and I hope soon I will start with the workouts the way I used to do before, but not with the same intensity. I will start with again from the beginner level, because as lockdown ke dauran we have eaten so much, everybody, so much, a lot, from from making samosas to pizza to lasagna to chana bhaturas till cakes and different kind of ice creams at home. Everybody, everyone, not just about me. So everyone जिसने भी थोड़ा बहुत सबका वेट गेन हो गया. whether थोड़ा बहुत is an understatement, I am saying. We all know how much we have gained weight, so it's better not to reveal it. As long as we are looking fit. Yeah. Okay, one more thing I would like to talk about in today's session is when I come out for nature walk, anywhere, no matter in which city I am or in which park I am. No, I'm not talking about of a particular city, state, or a particular area, but what I mostly see, people send their servants to go out and pluck flowers for for different purposes. For example, maybe for decorating their living area, or their home, और या फिर मंदिर में भगवान जी को चढ़ाने के लिए, और मे बी to give it to someone to make them feel special. Well, I'm very much favor of flowers because I personally love them. But one thing which is of lot of which concerns me a lot, when people have so many flowers already blossoming in their personal garden in the form of carry, or maybe in the form of in carry, or maybe in some pots, but they never pluck not even a single one from their personal garden, but they specially send their servants, and they very hesitantly pluck flowers from the garden, because they're from parks outdoors, because many people come there, do their workout, and on regular basis they come out to take a stroll or something like that, but still they pluck it, and when they go back home, they take happily go back home and give it to whomsoever is the owner of the house. And but when anyone, especially when elderly people pluck, and not just elderly people, but especially when elderly people, I have seen plucking flowers from such abodes. And what I see, many people very badly talk to them, and they get devastated that why they are plucking flowers from their personal garden, or maybe from outdoor pots which they have kept outside their home. I would say possessiveness which they have there for their plants or for their flowers which are there in their house should be equal. Likewise for the flowers which are outdoors planted in the parks or gardens, do not discriminate. Likewise, many people discriminate about humanity when it comes to caste system, this, that, blah blah, or maybe racism, color of skin is there. And when people have started doing about them, mere personal plants, outdoor se pluck kijiye, it concerns me a lot, because ये जो possessiveness है, it is not just limited towards our plants or to the flowers, then it carries forward in all the different kind of situations. If you have observed, मेरा बच्चा, मेरे बच्चे के toys, मेरे बच्चे के clothes, मेरा घर, मेरा ये, please come out from this zone of mera. Start thinking about something big, come out this mera selfish zone. Please extend your mental horizons, because there is so much, to there's so much beyond all such thing of this selfish attitude of yours. Yeah, I hope you're getting my point. Well, these are my thoughts, and I'm not forcing my thoughts on anybody. I just wanted to, express myself on this particular issue, because I feel really bad when, people treat, especially elderly people, because most of the times early in the morning they pluck flowers, different kind of colorful flowers from different places, from wherever they are available, just to offer them, offer to their god, the temples made in their house. So yeah, please, even if you don't want them to pluck, please be very much, प्यार से बोले उन्हें, so that they don't feel bad. But before that, please bring this thing, whatever I have discussed, before saying anything to anyone. Yeah, thank you. I hope आप इस चीज़ पे थोड़ा गौर करेंगे. Thank you. That's all for today. Bye.